Is the college education worth it? Will college help us succeed in life? These are some of the questions that we ask ourselves after graduating from high school. Some people decide not to attend college because they believe that it is a waste of time and money. A college education is worth it because it helps you make more money, it gives you more employment opportunities, allows students to explore career options, and teaches interpersonal skills to students. A college education is beneficial because it will help you make more money on the career you choose. There is a higher chance of someone who has college education to earn more than a student who only graduated from high school. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the median annual earning for students that have a bachelor's degree is $55,000. A student that only has a high school diploma will be earning $33,000. The pay continues to increase as you obtain a higher degree and more education. This means that more education leads to a higher pay. A college education could be a great investment if you work hard and study because there is proof that it will help you earn more money in the career you want to pursue. Graduating from college gives you a better salary, but also gives you more employment opportunities. One of the main reasons why students attend to college is to be able to get a better job. College opens doors to opportunities. Most jobs in the United States requires people to have a college degree, so obtaining it will make it easy for you to be hired. The unemployment rate decreases as you get a higher education and a college degree. According to the labor statistics, the unemployment rate for Americans over 25 with a bachelor's degree was 1.9% in 2019, compared to 2.7% for those with some college or associate's degree, 3.7% for high school graduates, and 5.2% for high school dropouts. These statistics show us why college is important for us to be able to get hired for a good job. It also helps us understand why it might be very difficult to get a well-paid job with only a high school diploma. I have talked about the job opportunities college provides you. Now I will talk about how it allows students to explore career options. Another reason why college education is worth it is because it helps students decide which career is best for them. Colleges offer career services, internships, job shadowing, job fairs, and volunteer opportunities, in addition to courses that may provide a career direction. According to the Indiana University, over 80% of college students complete internships before graduation, giving them valuable employment experience before entering the job market. College is helping us be prepared for a job and to contribute to society. It's giving us the experience and knowledge we need in order to find a career that will help us succeed in life. Students get to see the different careers they offer, but they also learn interpersonal skills in college. Last reason why attending college is beneficial is because students will be able to develop social skills. They will have the opportunity to interact with other students and faculty, to join student organizations and clubs, and to take part in discussions and debates. Developing mature interpersonal relationships is something that students progress through as they attend college. Vivek Wadhwa, MBA Technology Entrepreneur and Scholar, states, American children party in college, but you know something? By partying, they learn social skills. They learn how to interact with each other. They develop skills which make them innovative. Americans are the most innovative people because of the education system. Interpersonal skills is very important because it is used in our daily lives. Having a college education has many benefits and has given us many opportunities to have a job that we will enjoy to work at and have a good pay. Going to college is worth it because it is helping us accomplish our goals. I know that everyone watching this video attends college, but some students might not graduate. So I just want to say that you should continue to work hard and don't quit. Remember that college is the key to success.